Alright, so today we're going to be going over the experiment, and we're going to start off by using a paintbrush and some water. Alright, we are masked up. We have a wet paintbrush, and we're going to see what happens when we paint the sidewalk in direct sunlight.